Hi traders, what's up? All right, so my name is Royce. You have my description on my website that you can click. It will be in the description box below. Tradersonflow.com, and I am starting. I'm all set up, and I am starting. I will upload daily. I mean during the weekdays, and I would like to show some traders. Uh, that need a complementary edge, some traders that can't quite make it, or some traders, looking for something that can perform well, good indicators, good methodology. So anyway, you will see along the days. And okay, so let's start. And okay, so I will explain later what I am trading with. You know, all that you can see here. There are several other windows that I will explain later. For now, let's just focus on today's session. So we are May 4th, 2018. Um, and okay, so uh, okay, so I'm trading oil, and as a day trader, what you want to be able to do to win money, to earn money, is to get an entry, number one. Actually, you just need to get an entry that makes you money, right? Okay, so as for me, I divide things in two. First, I want to get the direction right. Because if you know the direction every day where it is going to go or where it's likely to go, um, this is much easier. You're not like in the dark trying to get it long or short for some like 30 ticks, some just like standard take profit that you take every day based on the market movements, 30 ticks or 25 ticks every day. No, each day there is uh, a point, a price where oil will go. Of course, right? Okay, so these levels, this methodology knows them 80% of the time. So today, you can check your chart. We are at 68.43.5 here on this platform, TS2 from FXCM. It's 5 p.m., 5:21 p.m. Thailand time. I think it's 5:21 a.m. EDT. You can check for yourselves, of course. We're at 68.42 now, and oil is likely to go 80% chances. Okay, let me check. I mean, I know it, but I just want to. Okay, so oil is likely to go to 69.30. Okay, 69.30. Okay, so during the session, which actually has started, I will try to get an entry now that the direction is thought of, figured out. Try to get an entry to go to 69.30. I could even go along here with a 100 tick stop loss. You would of course take a light position, um, uh, according to your money management. This would be a daily entry, and target for 100 ticks as well. I mean 90 here. But if you want to be an intraday trader, you could risk adjust this entry with a 10 ticks or 20 ticks stop loss, which is quite good, and target for whatever you can until these 69.30, this level. So you might get, depending on where oil is at the moment, you can get like, you can get 50 ticks, 60, 70, 80. So we'll see. I will maybe record my intraday entry if I get one. But at the end of the video, you shall see 80% chance oil at 69.30. You know, like for example, this candle is going to stop and you're going to see oil right here, or you know, this one right here, or this one right there. Alright, I'm going to pause the video. It's been 5 minutes. The video is going to remain short, under 10, and we'll see. So then, if you would like to have more information about this, my methodology, which is of course this template plus some rules and some, you know, accurate reading. You have to also be able to read that properly, and of course experience. But it's fairly simple. I think even a kid could do it once he understands the mechanics. Pause the video and see y'all later. I think it's gonna move after the US session, but 60% chance. Alright, be back. Oh, by the way, I wanted to say, don't forget to subscribe to see those videos, you know, pop in your screen, so you can watch how I do if you are a trader that needs a complementary edge, you know, or if you are a trader that is a you know, can't quite make it, if you want to have an easier way to do things, or if you just have money and you're looking for ways to make more money. Okay, so you'll see how much I can make over the days and how this works, so you can see for yourself. Alright, be back. Short update. So I'm not really surprised because I've been doing this for a while, but it's moving up, of course, and yeah, so it's progressing. Come back in a couple of hours probably, and let's see where it will be. Normally, I guess around the 69 area. Alright, be back. Hi, back. 2-3 hours passed. It went down, back down a little bit, still above my entry, but I think, you know, it might go down a little bit, but in the end it's gonna go right up to the target. And as it's doing this now, my indicators and my reading of M is telling me that I could even extend the target, maybe 69.50. Yeah. Alright, so I think this is gonna go throughout the day, maybe overnight. Alright, see ya. Short update, a few couple of hours later. So as you can see, we are at 69. We are initially 20 ticks away from my profit, my target, but I have extended it. So now my exit is at 69.50. Depending on how the market acts, I go for 70. I don't know yet, but yeah, let it run a little bit more and come back around the completion of this plan, whether it goes to it or not so quite, but 80-90% chances makes it. Alright guys, I'm going to the gym quickly, so see you later. Catch on that later. See what's up. Hi traders. So I'm back from the gym. Literally, just parked my bike just after the last set of what did I do? So some dumbbells. Come back, and so I've been I'm out of the trade for 110 ticks. I set my exit at 69.50. I think, as I mentioned earlier, we're 25 points ticks past this level. As I mentioned, I could have extended my TP, my take profit, to 70, but yeah, I guess I just did not do it. It's fine. out for 110 ticks. On a chill day, I mean, you've seen, as I did, and I mean, I do stuff like that pretty frequently. Yeah, pretty frequently. So you have a overall glimpse of my approach. I think it might have stunned a few of you. Some of you might find this just like a sign of being a good trader or whatever. But I'm gonna go into more detail as to for explaining my approach. But I've seen you. I think you have seen it. I mean, I identify the overall direction, and I take an entry. Oh, I haven't shown you how I take entries. I'm going to show you quickly, and I will go into details in the next video. Okay, so let's put it here. Alright, so what is this? This is the hourly time frame, M60, so it's 1 hour, every 5 minutes, so it gives me, I can take trades, I can see the market under different angles, and if you've been trading for even 1 year or 2, you can see that you can see the entries, right? You can see the dojis. So here's one, okay, the blue stuff. You put your stop loss here at 10, what is that? You have an entry at 64, put your stop loss at 42 or 40. That's 22 tick stop loss. Can't help to do otherwise, or maybe you get this one. And you write it, so basically that's 20 tick stop loss, 22 for 60 plus 80, so it's a 1-to-5 risk ratio, 20 tick SL, 100 tick take profit. And if you can do this pretty frequently, man, I mean, you're a trader and you can take some good vacation and do pretty good stuff, I guess. All right, video 12-13 minutes. I want to keep it around 10 minutes. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Post a comment in the section below, or just contact me through my website. And if you want to do this for yourself, you have some capital, you want to do this for yourself, go over on my website and yeah, purchase. As simple as that. I mean, this is a win for you potentially, provided you have the right mindset. But if you think that's good for you, then go for it. And also, if you want to trade with me, it's explained on my website. I'll take the trades like I did today, and we'll be in a chat room, and you'll be able to take the same trade that I take. And sometimes, yeah, let's be honest, you lose money maybe, I don't know, 10% of the time, 20% of the time, and you will win money most of the time. But yeah, all right, stay tuned. If you want to see more, go over onto my website if you want to have more details, and hit the bell notification if you want so that you don't miss any video, and that'll make me closer from you. And until then, see you next time, and have a good time. All right, bye. Signing off.